Overcharging your car's AC system leads to several noticeable issues. First, expect poor cooling performance. The AC will blow warm air despite being on full blast. You might hear unusual noises like hissing from pressure relief valves or rattling from an overworked compressor. High pressure gauge readings, typically above 250 to 300 psi on the high side, indicate overcharging. Look for foggy windows or oil leaks from seals stressed by the excessive pressure. Ultimately, overcharging can cause compressor failure due to overheating and lubricant breakdown. These symptoms are crucial to recognize early to prevent costly damage. Fixing an overcharged AC requires professional intervention. The process involves evacuating the excess refrigerant using a recovery machine. It's crucial to check for leaks in the system before proceeding. Recharge the system to the manufacturer's specified amount, typically 1 to 2 pounds for most sedans. DIY attempts are risky because refrigerants like R234YF are flammable and toxic. Improper handling can lead to burns or environmental damage. Consulting a certified technician ensures safe and accurate servicing, preventing further damage and ensuring optimal AC performance. Remember, many newer vehicles use AI-driven diagnostics, but professional checks are still essential.